Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually make 60,000 naira every Friday, just every 5 days on this platform known as Bounty News. Previously, I have shared videos on this platform and I shared this platform to my WhatsApp group and my Telegram groups, and my joy is that my members are earning money from this platform. In fact, I am so happy, guys, as you can see me in this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the strategies which you are going to use to make at least 60,000 every Friday, every 5 days. You can earn on this platform. Every 5 days you withdraw. I'm also going to show you guys payment proof from my members. In fact, before I proceed with this video to start showing you guys the strategy which are going to use, I'll show you the payment proof now. But before I proceed, guys, my name is Legit Boss. What I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every blessed day on this channel. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel or first time you're hearing my voice, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified every day with your smartphone on how to make money online. Then for those of you who might have interest on joining this platform today, you will get access to this platform only when you are in our WhatsApp group. Okay, that is where we have made the registration link of this platform available. So after watching this video and you're interested in joining this platform, you go to comment section. Our WhatsApp group link is there. You can use it to join our WhatsApp group. Okay, but in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to earn and every other thing you need to do on this platform. And my main motive on this video is to show you guys how you can earn this money. For those of you who have registered already, for those of you who are earning already. Okay, so as you can see, so this is it. What is this platform all about? Bounty News is a news media platform where you can actually read news for 30 seconds and get paid to your bank account. You are earning in coins, and those coins you are earning will be converted in naira. As I will leave a short video on how to earn. This video is just for me to explain to you guys how you can actually make money, more money. For those of you who are having an account already on this platform, please take note that this platform allows you to have as many accounts as you can. And I'm going to take my calculator. We are going to calculate the amount of money you are supposed to be making on this platform every 5 days. You withdraw money every 5 days. Okay, so how do you earn? When you click on task, you can see the option to earn here. And please take note that it is not require you to refer anybody. It is a referral free something. Okay, now take a look at your screen, guys. Take a look at your screen. These are payment proof from my members, from my group members on my WhatsApp groups. Take a look at your screen. Are you seeing it? This is money. This is money. Can you see? So you can see it, guys. These are payment proof from people. So when you start today, in the next 5 days you should be able to place your withdrawal. But if you're having only just one account, then you should be able to withdraw 1005 every 5 days. Because of the coin, most times you might earn 330 coin every day. So when you earn it like that, or you may earn 150 coin or 200 coin every day, or 170 coin every day. So when you earn it like this for the next 5 days, it will result to 1.5, and the minimum withdrawal is 1.5. Okay, so you can see it here. The minimum withdrawal is 1.5 coins. Once you have 1.5 coins, and each of this coin, each one is 1 naira. As you can see, I'm having 735 coins, and the worth 735 naira. So if you have 1.5, you can see it. Okay, so guys, take a look at your screen for payment proof. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? These are payment proof from my WhatsApp group members. That's why I say if you're interested in joining this platform, it is totally free. All you need to do is to join our WhatsApp group. Once you join our WhatsApp group, the link will be given to you. You'll be given other videos, tutorials, how to read, how to earn. As I'm also going to show you guys how to earn in this video. Okay, so make sure you're watching this video from beginning to the end so you can see how you can actually earn money on this platform. Please take note that it is totally free and it is 100% legit. You are not investing any money. If you check this platform, you will never see option to invest or to deposit. The only option you see is to read news and then to withdraw, just like that, for free, no investment. Okay, so now I said you can actually make 60,000 on this platform. Yes, how can you do this? Now if you are having two phone number, you can register up to 10 accounts. You can register up to 50 accounts on this platform. Okay, if you don't have different phone number, this is what you can do. You can actually go and buy a SIM card. You can buy different SIM card because you register with your phone number, not with Gmail. So you can buy different phone number and then register with it. And then when you're placing withdrawal, please, you withdraw with a different bank accounts. You withdraw with different bank accounts. Now let's say you have, let's take calculator, guys. Let's check my calculator. This is my calculator. Let's say you have, for a minimum withdrawal is 1005. You are placing 1005 every Friday. Let's say you started today. Today is or let's say you start tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, or you start today. You are going to place withdrawal in the next 4 days. When you start today, you are going to do task. Now, the minimum withdrawal is 1.5, and you should be able to get this 1.5 in the next 5 days. So now, this 1.5 times you times it by let's just say by 40. You're having 60. Now, how many accounts are you supposed to create? You're supposed to have 40 accounts, which means each of account you create on this platform should give you at least 1.5 every 5 days. And if you calculate that 1.5, if you calculate that 1.5, the amount it will give you is 60,000 for free, which means in the next 2 weeks, every two weeks, you should be cashing out 120,000 from this platform. Okay, so how do you do it? When you sign up different accounts, you will always log out from this one. You log out from your this one, and then you will now log into the second one you have created. Like I said, this platform allows you to create as many accounts as you can. This is a news media platform. Their interest is for you to read their news and then get their coin. And when you have their coin, you can place your withdrawal. Please, like I said, if you are withdrawing, use different back accounts. If you use OPay, use PamPay. Don't use the same account to place withdrawal in those your different accounts. Each account you are creating should have its own account is receiving his own money too. So please take note of that. So this is how you can actually earn money on this platform. And then let's say you have let's calculate. Let's just say you have uh 20 accounts. You're able to register 20 accounts. Only you. This one is not something you are referring. You create this account yourself. Take note. 1.5 times 20. So you're having 30,000 every 5 days. If you're able to create just this thing, 20 accounts, and you are logging in, please take note that all these accounts you are creating, you should know their password, and then you are using it to log in every day. So when you log in every day, you read the news, because you only earn 150 daily by reading that news. Let me show you guys. So when you click on task, sorry, we are log out. Let's log in back. So let me show you. Let me show you guys. Okay. Now when you click on task, you see this option here. So when you read the news finish, you can see you earn 150 daily, and the maximum article you can read every day is just 20 articles. So these 20 articles should give you 150 coins. So that's the minimum, that's the maximum you can receive in a day. So there is no any other way you can actually earn on this platform, guys, rather than just reading this news. You read this news to earn. Now when you are doing this thing to yourself, when you want to create multiple accounts, you should copy your link. Click on this place here, copy your link here. You copy your invitation link here. So when you copy your invitation link here, then use it to refer yourself. And then when you start withdrawing from that your other account, bonus might stop dropping, dropping in your main account. Do you understand? So that's it for now. You cannot earn with referral commission. As you can see, this is my account. If it is something that require referrals, you should know that I will have more than this. Legit boss of all people, how can I be having 735 coins? So let's be sincere to ourselves. So that's the whole truth, guys. So this one is not something you refer. This one just require you to create multiple accounts, multiple account, as many accounts as you can. Create it and start making money from this platform. I'm so glad, because this update is giving my community money, is paying my community, and that's why I'm so happy, guys. As you all can see, I'm smiling while I'm making this video, and this platform is 100% legit, does not require you to invest any money. Now, for those of you who don't know how to earn, please kindly watch. This is how you can actually earn money from this platform. Now watch. And then, like I said, our group link is in the comment section of this video, so you can locate our group link there, use it to join our WhatsApp group, so that you can get started and start earning on this platform for free with your smartphone. That's if you have interest, if you have gained value from this content. Okay, thank you, and watch. Click on task, you see read now. So every blessed day you read this news. Every blessed day you are going to read this news. Okay, and each coin is 1 naira. Each coin is equivalent to 1 naira. So if you are having 13,000 coin, you're having 13,000 naira. And if you're having 40,000 coin, you're having 40,000 naira. So any amount of coin you are having, the equivalent is in naira. Please take note. So click on read now. When you click on read now, first of all, every day you sign in. Click on sign in daily to receive 30 to 50 coins. Okay, so you receive before you read every day, this is what you should do. Click on person, click on sign in daily. You know, I was having 75 before, but now I'm having 105. So click on sign in daily. Every day when you click on sign in daily, you are going to be given 15 coin, to 90 coins. So you can see it here. You can see the calendar here on how you earn the coin. So that's it, guys. So now click on task. When you click on task, you can click on read now. So when you click on read now, click on I've already read. Scroll down. So this is the news now. They are going to bring you to their home. So any of this news here, just click on it. So when you click on it, let's refresh. Okay, this one no record. Let's check. Let's choose another one. So let's click on this one. So when you are reading, you just read it for 30 seconds. You see this time here is going to be counting. It's going to be counting. It's going to be counting as you are scrolling down. Just be scrolling down. As you're scrolling down reading the news, it's going to be counting. Once it reaches, it's going to show you completed. So this is how to earn on Bounty News. Okay. Then once the time finishes, you click on this top up button here to like the news. So the money is going to be credited to you. I'm going to show you how to claim the money which you have read on this news. You just have to wait patiently for the next 30 seconds. Please take note that you must scroll down for this time to start counting. Okay. So you can see now finish reading. You can see completed the completed reading. Then click on this thumb up here to like the news. So then go back. So when you go back, click on task again. Then you can see this place here now available now. I finished reading this news, available now. Click on available. So you can see, click on finish. So that's it. You can see request in progress. So they have added the earning for me here. So they have added the earning for me here. Remember, I was having 105 and they have added the earning for me here. So let us read news again. So you read news again. So you choose another news, click on this cancel option here. So we are going to read another news now. So you scroll down. When you are scrolling down, the time will be reading for you. So you are scrolling down. So you are reading this news on social media platform to earn money for free. Please take note, I said it is totally free, no investment, all for free. Okay. You are reading just 30 seconds, reading of 30 seconds news, and then you are earning money with your smartphone for free. So you can see. So you just wait patiently for the time to finish. So remember, whenever you finish reading, you have to go back to task and then click on available to claim the coin. Okay. So now you can see completed reading. Then click on thumb up like. So you like it, and then you go back. So go back, click on task again. Then you can see it here available again. Click on available. Then click on finish. So when you click on finish, request in progress, you can see I'm now having 150 coins, which